What if the secret to truly resilient, age-defying skin lies deeper than surface creams? Meet orthosilicic acid, or OSA. It's the highly bioavailable form of silicon, the unsung hero that provides the essential structural framework for your skin. Think of silicon like the steel rebar in concrete. OSA directly stimulates your skin's fibroblast cells to ramp up the production of type 1 collagen. It also acts as a crucial cofactor for the enzymes that stabilize the collagen triple helix, ensuring the collagen you produce is strong and resilient. But not all silicon is created equal. Common forms like silica or horsetail extract are poorly absorbed by the body. Stabilized orthosilicic acid is the monomeric, water-soluble form, boasting a bioavailability of nearly 50%, making it exponentially more effective at delivering usable silicon to your cells. The science backs it up. Clinical studies show that consistent supplementation with stabilized OSA leads to statistically significant improvements in skin elasticity, hydration, and a marked reduction in wrinkle depth after just 12 to 20 weeks. Ready to build stronger, more resilient skin from the inside out? Click the link in the description to read our full scientific guide on orthosilicic acid, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare science.